Poverty Environment Initiative is supporting the Government of Nepal to reduce the environmental impact of economic activities, such as the extraction of sand, gravel and stones, and the construction of rural roads, and to ensure that better management of natural capital generates income and employment for the poor. PEI developed economic analysis and practical recommendations on how to sustainably develop both sectors. In terms of regulations, so far, several local governments have banned the use of heavy machinery to construct roads. In Dhading district, a progressive fine starting with 5,000 rupees or $58 has been established, and contracts with any road developer force them to employ local people to undertake the construction work. This has resulted in thousands of green jobs and in roads being constructed using environmentally friendly methods.
Because of these visitations, there is no risk of landslides now.
Proper water management, innovative bioengineering, and taking into consideration the recommendations of environmental impact assessments. Jogimara village in Dhading district is one of the various locations where a sustainable, labor-intensive rural road is being constructed.
So, हाम्रो यो धादिङ जिल्लाको उत्तरी भेगमा दुईटा गाविसहरुमा तीनवटा ठुलो पहिरोहरु गए जुन चाहिँ त्यो हेभी इक्विपमेन्टको प्रयोगबाट भएको रोड बनाउँदाखेरि आएको पहिरोले गर्दाखेरि बाटो बनाउँदाखेरि त्यसले पहिरो ल्याएको थियो जनताले त्यो कुराहरु रियलाइज गरेर अब चाहिँ हेभी इक्विपमेन्टको प्रयोगले गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो विकासलाई तत्कालको रूपमा विकास गरे पनि यसले चाहिँ लङ टर्ममा हाम्रो विकास हैन विनाश लिएर आउँदो रहेछ त्यसले भन्ने कुरा रियलाइज गरेका छन् त्यो पहिरोले गर्दा एकजना मान्छेको डेथ भयो तर त्यहाँ लगभग 1 करोड भन्दा बढीको
दोजो लाउँदाखेरिमा यो धेरै हानि पहिरो झर्ने भयो अनि तलतिर भासिने भयो र अहिले जुन यो पहरामा चाहिँ दोतरे लगाउने माटोमा मान्छेले खन्ने यस्तो चाहिँ प्रकार गर्यो हामीले निर्णय गर्यो माथिबाट सरहरूले आएर निर्णय गर्यो अनि माटोमा चाहिँ मान्छेले खनेर पास गर्थे भन्ने निर्णय गर्ने लाउने खाने त्यही जान परिवार बाँड्ने कुनै ठाउँमा आफूले ल्याएर खाएको ठाउँमा तिर्नु पर्यो लाउनु पर्यो छोरा बच्चाहरूलाई लगाउन दिनु पर्यो.
The sand, gravel and stones industry generates up to 70% of the revenues of some Nepalese districts. Unsustainable extraction methods were having high economic costs, since they were damaging Nepal's road infrastructure and the country's invaluable ecosystems. This was enough for the Government of Nepal to take action. Now, the law says that extraction companies cannot settle in locations that harm valuable ecosystems. They need to be at least 2 kilometers away from forests, 500 meters from highways, and 500 meters from riverbanks. Moreover, all businesses must take measures not to damage roads and to employ local labor. On top of that, now, EIAs and IEEs are a requirement in 12 different sectors and are mandatory to start any road construction activity or any extraction of sand, gravel and stones. Reducing the environmental impact of extracting natural resources and making sure that infrastructure development employs the poor can be considered a big step in Nepal's pursuit of sustainable development.